Shaping Spaces Summer Edition 2026 by Montdor Interior. An event created to go beyond design conversations and explore how every experience, every interaction, and every detail shapes the spaces we live in. Because a home is never just about design. It's about the people who live in it, the moments they create, and the stories they unfold within it. For over a decade, Montdor Interior has had the privilege of crafting more than 1,000 homes, each designed around the unique lifestyles, aspirations, and personality of its homeowners. Shaping Spaces was born from this very belief, a belief that great spaces are not shaped only by materials and aesthetics, but by ideas, experiences, and meaningful human connections. Hosted at Hyatt Ahmedabad, Shaping Spaces Summer Edition 2026 brought together homeowners, industry leaders, partners, and design enthusiasts for an evening of learning, inspiration, and conversation. The evening featured insightful discussions, thought provoking perspectives, and opportunity to connect with people who share a passion for creating meaningful spaces. It was a celebration of design, not as a trend, but as a way of enhancing everyday life. A reminder that every well designed space has the power to influence how we feel, connect, and grow. As conversations unfolded and experiences were shared, one thing became clear. The most memorable spaces are not defined by what they contain, but by the lives they help shape. To everyone who joined us and made this evening memorable, thank you for being a part of this journey. Montdor Interior, shaping spaces, creating experiences.